Morning everyone, John for Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do our daily what sold video. These are the cards that sold on eBay on March 22nd. As you can see on the screen, 29 orders for $237 on eBay. Had one hip order for $11.49, so we'll call it 30 orders for $249. Go ahead and get started here. This is Virginia Hot Springs, the Homestead Hotel Resort Swimming Pool, $6.99. This sold within, I think, a day of putting it up, so I probably could have priced it a teeny bit higher, but $6.99 for that. George Brent, Kansas City Royals baseball player. Coral Lee, I believe, is the publisher or printer. Yeah, $5.99 for that one. I'm not sure exactly where this one came from. And that buyer who bought the George Brett card bought this one too. So very eclectic collection going on there. Motor Driven War Airship Blimp Balloon Dirigible, 1909. And that sold for $8.99. Asbury Park, New Jersey, De Tartis Studio, real photo, 1906. So a painted backdrop. And I thought I saw on here somewhere that said Atlantic City or Asbury Park. Oh, right there, little printed right there. Okay, $10.99 for that. Next, this is Grants, New Mexico, view of Mount Taylor from Route 66, 1940s linen. And that sold for $7.99. Hand-painted scenic landscape pond, lake, sunrise, Germany, 1920s. Yeah, so this is completely hand-painted. And I probably have 24 of these. They came from the widow of the dealer back in April of 19. But yeah, they're all pretty simplistic, but still nice pieces of a really original art. But they're a tough sell at $12.99. I think this is the first or second one out of the 24 I listed that sold. But anyway, yeah, $12.99 for that hand-painted postcard. Let me show you the back, because the back, I think, says Germany. Yeah, down there's Germany. World War II era military humor, soldiers, pretty bikini girl, hot dogs, and hot dog stand. $2.99 for that. Good wishes for Thanksgiving Day, Turkey, 1908, unsigned clap saddle. Again, it's just one of those views that it's a known clap saddle drawing. $7.99 for that. Pulaski, Virginia, Skyline Motel, vintage linen. And that sold for $5. Political, President Roosevelt family, 1905. And that sold for $6 on a best offer. This is large letter greetings from Lordsburg, New Mexico, vintage linen. Was it 1945? $6.99 for that. Next, Nashville, Tennessee, Andrew Jackson Tomb Hermitage, hand colored, probably Albert type, which it is, and that sold for $6.99. Capri Motor Hotel, Vancouver, British Columbia. One picture and no picture of the back and crappy background, $2.99. It's been listed for probably 8+ years, maybe longer. How about this one? Old Postcard, Boston, Ma. That is pretty piss poor. kind of cringe-worthy too. This has probably been up for 10 to 12 years. That'd be my guess. One picture, horrible background. I used to put this whole big diatribe of information. But hey, it finally sold, $1.99 for that card. I didn't even put that it was the North Station. it's a railroad station. And I didn't even put that. $1.99 for that card. My minimalist time period. Wheeling, West Virginia. Beano Railroad Train Depot Station, 1912. And that sold for $7.99. Next, Vancouver, Canada. Travel Lodge, 1960s. Travel trailer camper pool. Somewhere in here. Oh, there's the camper. And that sold for $9.39. Beverly Hills Residence, Jack Benny, Mary Livingston Vintage Linen. So another one of those Stars homes. Like I said, pick these up for $1.25. $6.99. That's about the going rate. This is New Orleans, Louisiana. Load of sugar cane farmers, 1910s. And that sold for $18 on a best offer. Humor woman, look good in French bathing suit. Guys look good too. So 1950s risque card, humor card. This is Highlands, New Jersey, along the shore homes. Probably a couple $1 million mansions now. $9.99 for that card. This is St. Louis, Missouri, 1904 World's Fair Cascades Pyrotechnic Fireworks. Kind of in rough condition here, dirty, creased. Someone wanted $20 for a station cancel. Right there, the RPO, I guess. Didn't get it. Got $7.50 for it. This is Lovelock, Nevada, Sturgeon's Log Cabin Motel and Cafe Restaurant Multi-View. And that sold for $7. Next, Thurmont, Maryland, Main Street, looking west, Rexall Drugs, 1940s. And that sold for $7.99. Next, Colchester Beach, Maryland, excursionists at lunch picnic. I got something in my mouse here. Let me see, that sold for $8.99. Okay, next we have Toledo, Ohio, St. Vincent Hospital, 1950s old cars. There's that. Looks like the back of the building. $6.99 for that card. Cat Kitten, Miss Kitty, Rotograph Real Photo, 1906. There's that. Let me see, $11.49. I originally had it at auction, probably $9.99. Didn't sell. So what I do is I always relist, but then I increase the buy it now price anywhere between 10 to 25%. This time I did 25, or I'm sorry, 15%. Geez, I had someone contact me and said, I missed out on this auction and you've relisted it, but why did you raise the price? I was like, because that's what I do. I'm not going to lower the price if it doesn't sell at auction because it's only up for a week. So I've had pretty good luck with raising the prices on Buy It Now. Anyway, Walt Disney World, Cinderella Castle, Magic Kingdom, probably 80s, 1980s, maybe very early 90s. $4.99 for that card. And let me see, Narragansett, Rhode Island, British Headquarters, Revolutionary War. And that sold for $9.99. Next, Country Stamps, Array of Japan Flags, 1907. Otmar Zahir. I'm not sure if that's it or not. But that is the person who produced these, I believe. $14.99. Run into these once in a while. They'll either have stamps of that country, or they will have coins of the country, and that's going rate $14-15. Let's go to the next one. 4th of July, Boy Soldier Musket, 1910. There's is that? And that sold for $8.99. Last one is Helena, Montana, Carroll College, real photo. There's that one. Another one that's this sold on Hip. Another one that's I had listed at $9.99 at auction, didn't sell, so I bumped it up 15% and it sold. And that's it. So we had a pretty good day of sales. We're through that hump of end and relist good sales days, and we're now back down to normal. And again, I expect this to drop down a little bit. I need to get listing on this store. I've been working on the aviation cards. That's my main goal right now, but I need to add more to this store. So anyway, enough rambling. I thank you for watching.